Hello YouTube! Thank you for tuning in to Twice Measured. Today, I will be making the Easy Vintage Step Stool by Anna White. It will be used by our 3-year-old niece, who I'm sure you can imagine is still quite vertically challenged. My wife found these plans on annawhite.com. There is a link in the description below. First, I cut the 12-inch board to rough length. As you can see, I bought full 8-foot boards. Now, the 6-inch board to rough length. And that's me forgetting to move the camera. I'll move it momentarily. Here, I'm bringing them to final length. You may have noticed I didn't cut the 1x2s. As opposed to buying one, I chose to rip them from 6-inch board cutoffs. This 5-degree cut helps with stability and allows the stool to stand away from the counter quite nicely. Here, I'm laying out the dimensions for the side cutouts that make the legs. You can make any design on here, but my wife wanted to stick with Anna's design. You can use anything with the curve that you like best. As you can see, I used a roll of painter's tape. And now to the bandsaw. I cut the first one as close as possible. Then sanded it on the belt sander until I liked the results. When I was finished, I used carpet tape to stick them together and used a flush trim bit on my router to copy the design to the second one. In some of the curves, there is quite a bit of material left. Make sure you are making several light passes so as not to heat up your bit and make it dull. This left a few spots to fine tune on the bandsaw and with a wood file. Using my drill press sanding drums, I sand the edges down so the finish will be smoother. Some overall finish sanding, and as this is going to be painted, I didn't go any further than 150 grit. That old bathroom rug works great for a sanding mat. Onto the pocket holes. These 1x2s only need one on each end. The two sides wanted 4 each. This will hold the top step on. And the bottom step receives 6 each. But I'm sure 4 would have been just fine, as it will also be glued. During glue up, my battery died. Sorry. I didn't realize it until I was almost completed. Just refer to the plans if you need any help on assembly. And now it's off to the paint department to be completed. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I hope you like my first attempt at a YouTube video. If so, please click the like button and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.